Can I just go to Reena Gupta now? Reena Gupta, have you understood
I am very much
anything after the results of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan? Charu and Reena Gupta, both of you. Reena to first and then Charu. Charu and Reena both. Yeah. Reena ji first to you, ma'am.
Why did you come?
Reena Gupta and Charu Pragya. Thank you. Both of you on it. Only two people. Thank you.
The election.
Yes, Reena Gupta. Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya, today the question is not who is going to be the PM candidate. आज सवाल ये नहीं है. आज सवाल ये है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी
only Charu and Reena
में डेमोक्रेसी
No. I am stopping you right there, Reena ji. I have to stop you right there. Reena ji, I have to stop you right there. Please, I have to stop you right there. Why? Because it was not me. It is the TMC being backed by Arvind Kejriwal, Mamata Banerjee, backed by Arvind Kejriwal who raised this question, not Aishwarya Kapoor. It was your leader who proposed Mallikarjun Kharge's name as the Prime Ministerial candidate, confirmed by Aam Aadmi Party. Ma'am, then how can you say this? You wanted it an issue. Now you can't come on a debate and say this is not the issue. Please explain, ma'am.
Yes, only if you allow me to speak, Aishwarya. Please allow me to come.
Please, ma'am.
Aishwarya, today, आज पार्लियामेंट से 140 एमपीज को सस्पेंड कर दिया. Each of those MPs represents at least 15 lakh people. तो मतलब 21 करोड़ लोगों की देश में कोई इज्जत ही नहीं है कि वो 21 करोड़ लोगों के जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं उनको आपने पार्लियामेंट में निकाल के बाहर फेंक दिया. और आज इतने इंपॉर्टेंट बिल जब डिस्कस होने वाले थे तब इतना बड़ा विपक्ष का ऑलमोस्ट पूरा विपक्ष पार्लियामेंट के बाहर खड़ा हुआ है. इसको आप मदर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी कहते हैं. इस समय देश के सामने सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा यह है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने डेमोक्रेसी का जो मजाक बना रखा है, पहले हम सब मिलको और स्पेशली मीडिया के साथियों को मदद करनी पड़ेगी. हम सब मिलको पहले तो डेमोक्रेसी को बचाना पड़ेगा. कल को मोदी जी बोले कि देश में चुनाव ही नहीं होंगे, कोई चुनाव नहीं होंगे, हम दीनदयाल उपाध्याय मार्ग में बैठ कर डिसाइड करेंगे कि देश आगे कैसे बढ़ेगा. उन्होंने 10,000 करोड़ की नई पार्लियामेंट क्यों बनवाई? पैसा वेस्ट करा. दीनदयाल उपाध्याय मार्ग में बैठ के सारे डिस्कस कर लेते, वहीं पे बिल पास कर देते सारे. विपक्ष की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है. क्या लोगों ने बना रखा है. और वहीं ब्रजभूषण शरण सिंह जैसे रेप अक्यूज बैठे हुए पार्लियामेंट पे, विधुड़ी जैसे अब्यूजिव लोग पार्लियामेंट में बैठे हुए हैं और आपने विपक्ष को बाहर कर दिया.
रीना जी, फिर आप कहते हैं हमें तो you've spoken about everything. You've spoken about everything, but not answered my principal question.
सवालों का जवाब नहीं दे सकते आप.
Ma'am, you've commented on every point from the last 9 years. You've raised it. Okay. But you've not answered one basic point. It was not me or the BJP who raised the prime ministerial issue. Charu, it was Mamata Banerjee and Kejriwal shaking hands and proposing Mallikarjun Kharge's name. Why did they do so? Do they think that we as journalists don't understand, or the people of this country don't understand what's their game? Ma'am, we absolutely understand what's your game. But Charu, for you, it's a walkover. There is no alliance. There is no opposition, Charu.
Aishwarya, the opposition alliance never existed except in the minds of the opposition leaders. It never existed anywhere else. Now, I think Mr. Kharge's name was suggested to gracefully remove Mr. Gandhi out of the picture. They didn't want Mr. Gandhi there. And in any case, what is this alliance that they're talking about? Is Mamata Didi going to ask for seats to contest in Maharashtra? Or is NCP going to contest in West Bengal now? Or maybe DMK is going to contest from Uttarakhand? I don't understand this alliance, because this alliance has always existed. In 2019 also, this same motley group of people had come together, contested together. In fact, forget an alliance. In 2019, they made something which was called as a Mahagathbandhan, bigger than a Gathbandhan, and we all saw the result of that. See, the fact of the matter is, there's one thing you have to care about the India Alliance, their consistency. So consistently, from meeting 1 to meeting 2 to meeting 3 to meeting 4, they have maintained 4 things. 1, they will choose a convener, and 2, they will discuss the seat share. And these are the 2 statements we've...
No, but Charu, the problem is...
After all 4...
So
congratulations on that, and only...
Charu, you are saying they will choose a convener. I am saying they are in a tough spot. Why they are in a tough spot? Because Mamta Banerjee, and Mamta Banerjee is known to play very, very hard ball. Reena ji, you were not in active politics then. I'm telling you, I was a reporter, I was covering.
Aishwarya
When
ji.
Mamta Banerjee and late Netaji,
बात और है।
Mulayam Singh Yadav came together to get the name of our late President Pranab Mukherjee announced forcibly by arm twisting Sonia Gandhi. I was present there, I'm telling you. Mamta Banerjee came out with a different chit from Sonia Gandhi. She went into Netaji's Ashoka Road house, went in with a different name, came out with a different name, announced a third name in front of the media, and then everyone said, "Arey, ye kya ho gaya?" Do you think that by Mamta Banerjee and Arvind Kejriwal
Absolutely.
announcing Mallikarjun Kharge's name, and that's not it. That's not it, Vineet and Ratnakar ji. Mamta Didi wants Priyanka Gandhi Vadra to contest against who? The Prime Minister from Varanasi. Are you not understanding? Reena ji is smiling. And I don't blame her.
Sense of
Bhai, her party's whole, stands against the Congress. So I don't blame her smile.
From the scene
But you should understand,
guys are not
Tripathi.
even
Hold on, Vineet, hold on.
stand as the
Ratnakar
leader.
Tripathi.
No,
Vineet, hold on.
Aishwarya.
I'm asking Ratnakar ji.
Aishwarya, please, why are you so bothered?
Whom are you
Our
talking
alliance
about?
is very
No,
अब
strong.
ऐश्वर्या क्या करेगा?
No
What will
matter
Aishwarya
what you
do?
what you say on
Backstabbed
TV
everybody.
programs.
Ratnakar for 30 seconds.
Do
Ratnakar
anything
Tripathi for
to
30 seconds.
alliance.
No,
The
no.
alliance is together. We are very much together and we will test this election together, Aishwarya ji. आप लोगों के बोलने से कोई फूट नहीं पड़ने वाली है, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. और चारू जी, if we are such a motley of people,
कब थे?
then why are you throwing us out of
कब थे बताइए?
अगर हम सुपाड़ी जैसे लोग हैं, हमारा कोई वजूद ही नहीं है, हमारा कोई अस्तित्व ही नहीं है, तो क्यों आप हमसे
Okay.
इतना डरते हैं? हमारे सवालों से क्यों डरते हैं?
Okay.